All right, so here's what we're going for with the bottom assembly. We're gonna attach it to our leg assemblies. These are the screws that we just put in to tie these legs together, and those are going to be on the inside of the chair. So it's basically just putting 4 bolts in, 2 on each side. They're pre-drilled. So let me show you how we're going to attack this. I'll set this aside for a minute. And here we have the leg. Make sure we get the screws on the inside. Footrest to the front. And might be simpler on this first one. Just set it on its side. And there's also, in addition to lining up the screw holes to help you line up the bottom here, you can just you can just line up your right to those pencil marks, and that should get you really close to the screw holes like that.
Find the pencil mark.
There, right there.
Oh, right there. Got it. Okay.
We're still rolling. All right. So from there, you will just put your bolt in from the outside in, shove it up through there, put your washer on, and then put your nut on. You won't be able to tighten that nut down all the way by hand because it's got a little nylon locking mechanism inside it. So once you get it a little ways, you'll probably have to finish it the rest of the way with your 1/2-inch wrench. And once you have that in, you will just set it up or turn it over on the other side, put your other leg assembly down, and repeat the process. And when you do that, you will be back to having this set up just like this. And then our next step is to put the seat on.